My name is Jumabaeva Sabina Delgadova. My teacher's name is Jumabaeva Jinsaya Shakhanova. I'm a student of secondary school number 103. The theme of my project is the history of double-decker bus. The aim of our project is to collect and systematize information about London bus. The tasks of our work are the following: to describe the system of public transport in London, to analyze different sources of information, including internet ones as well, to collect and present shortly the received information, to present my project to my all classmates. Transport system in London. London is a huge metropolitan area. That is why public transport is virtually important for the city dwellers as well as tourists, for whom it might be quite confusing to get about London. Transport system in London. Apart from taxis, there are two main methods of transport in London: the underground and the buses. Buses are the best for sightseeing, especially double-decker buses. However, they are rather slow, especially during the rush hour. So, London transport system is rapid and fast, but sometimes it can be really confusing. The first of the new double-deckers is owned by the transport company called Arriva, legendary London bus. The first bus company began serving customers in 1829. The company had several horse-drawn carriages which served customers. The company quickly became popular and had caused many imitations. The bus called omnibus was driving at low speed, and the wooden seats were very uncomfortable. These buses were called horse-trains because they moved metal rails. The first engine buses appeared in 1899. In 1933, there were type SCL type buses. These buses had a separate driver's cab and the second floor with a roof. They looked like modern buses. In 1956, the most famous London bus, Roadmaster, appeared. It was with open back platform. It was for passengers to get on and get off. It didn't have the door. Then the accordion bus appeared, but it was dangerous for pedestrians and cyclists. London buses are usually red, but in 1980, many of them changed their color. Purple London bus appeared to honor the first time of the third film about Harry Potter. Conclusion. So we made an attempt to describe transport system in London and its specific features, and also we collected and systematized about one of the most recognizable icons of the city, London bus. We paid attention to the history of double-deckers and made an accent they can be of different colors, not only the red ones. Thank you for